So these are the angle formation kit. These kits come up with some rulers. We have the complete 360-degree protractors. I am sure you must have used the 180-degree protractors. So these are the complete 360-degree protractors. And we come up with various screws as well. So what are the purpose of the screws is we make different shapes using these rulers. Now what do I mean by shape? Like when we are making them learn the parallel lines, the intersecting lines. So we just take up the screws and the connectors. Now suppose I am making them teach the intersecting lines. So if you see the ruler, there are various holes in between. So for intersecting lines, I am connecting two and joining. And for easier, I am just joining it with the screw. I attach the screw up. And I just make it like this. So we can reach them the point where we have screwed them up. It is the point of intersection for the intersecting lines. The point where we have screwed them up, because we will be screwing two intersecting lines at one point. So this is the point of intersection. Now, along with these rulers, we can screw up the protractor. Now, what is the need of screwing up the protractor? With this, we can tell them that the vertically opposite angles are equal, because there are degrees mentioned on the protractors. So the degree over here is the same as the degree here. And these are opposite to each other. So while teaching the properties for perpendicular lines, intersecting lines, parallel lines, we make various shapes using them. Like while teaching the parallel lines, we need two parallel lines and a transversal. So again, making up the same shape. I have taken two parallel lines to clear it up. Yes. So I have taken the two parallel lines and this is my transversal. This way we can tell that why are these lines parallel? Can they ever meet with each other? They will not. They are going endlessly. Now with the transversal, again, we can use the protractor, attach it and tell them why are the corresponding angles equal? How are they coming out to be equal? And connecting with the screws and connectors and all the protractors again. Like I've connected one, I've connected second. So this way I have made it. Now again, I can tell them the angle sum property for the quadrilateral. Add up all the angles. They make up 360 degrees. Right? And in case, like, also the properties of various quadrilateral. I have a square. You can see that all of them have 90 degrees. All the lengths are the same. So instead of randomly telling them that these are the properties, they have a figure in front of them with rulers and protractors. They can easily observe it. That yes, we have constructed all the sides are same and all the angles are also 90 degrees. So such a shape is known as a square. Now I'm just removing it and I'm making it little big. I've just extended one side. Now this is no longer a square. Now this becomes a rectangle. I must say this is a very, very useful and a very interesting kit to use it, the angle formation kit, because there are a lot of things which we can teach using this kit. Like all the geometry concepts, basically, I would say we can teach them through this kit. the triangles, the quadrilaterals. We can construct the parallelograms and teach the properties for parallelograms. We can even make a hexagon, a pentagon to show them that they have 5 sides and this is what it looks like. So this is a very, very interesting and a useful kit and very easy to understand for students by seeing it. So they easily grab it and they are not cramming it any further.